Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to set up Kraken 360 only ways. Start by unboxing the Kraken 360 and verifying included parts, then plug it in to charge fully while you download the companion app. Open the app and create or sign into your account, enable Bluetooth, and follow on-screen prompts to pair. Keep the unit close to your device during pairing and accept any firmware updates when prompted for best performance. Power the Kraken 360 on and make sure the LED indicates pairing mode, then open the app and allow Bluetooth permissions. Position your phone within a few feet of the device to avoid dropouts, tap the Kraken entry in the app, and confirm pairing when prompted. If a firmware update appears, allow it to install and keep the device plugged in. Once paired, run the calibration routine so sensors and stabilization work smoothly. After pairing, start the calibration routine with the Kraken 360 on a level surface and follow each app prompt carefully to rotate or tilt as instructed. Calibration teaches the device its orientation and optimizes stabilization, so patience pays off. Avoid magnetic objects or heavy vibrations nearby and repeat calibration if you move locations or notice drift. Regular recalibration.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.